Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Gundam Deathscythe Full Suit Build Series Part 2. Today we're going to assemble the backpack for the Deathscythe Gundam. Now I have it broken down into 7 pieces just so I was able to print it properly. And also each piece I had to make sure that it wasn't too heavy. This center core piece here, this was only printed at 4 or maybe 5% infill. And these vents here, they were down to 4% infill, so it makes it lighter so this entire suit isn't too heavy. And also, as you can see here, I have the suit on a costume stand. So let's get building. Alright, that should do it for right now. Okay, so I've got everything welded together. It took a while because I guess it was oddly shaped, so here is the entire backpack. So I was able to get that all welded together. I gotta go back through and I gotta finish welding all the seams together. I'll probably do that at another time because it's pretty late right now. That is all for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also remember to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you.